We are looking at custom snowplow for Henry. This has been designed for all the classic style engines, untested on the Tolkien version, but so far looks good. Try to recreate as seen on the series. The snowplow is a single piece, can be attached and snapped on the buffer. You hear that? It does not come loose. Again, only for the classic old style Trackmaster models. This model is made out of filament and painted the layer lines.